Refraction of light. We studied in last video reflection of light means when opaque object is there, when light ray falls on that opaque object, then the light ray gets bounce back like this, gets reflected backward into the same medium, then that is called reflection. When medium is transparent, then the light ray gets travel through the medium. When the medium is opaque, the light ray bounce back, and when the medium is transparent, the light ray travels through the medium. Refraction means bending of light when travels from one medium to another medium. Bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. For example, water is one type of medium and air is one type of medium. For example, light is traveling, this is water medium, and this is air medium. This is water and this is air medium. Light is traveling from air to water. The light when enters into water, it bends and travels in a straight path. After bending, the bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium is termed as refraction of light. Here there are two types of mediums are there, denser and rarer. Air is considered as rarer medium and water is considered as denser. Denser and rarer mediums. Before going to know what is rarer and what is denser medium, we have to know what is density. If density is high, then the medium is called denser medium. If the density is low, then the medium is called rarer medium. We have to know what is density. If density is low, then the medium is called rarer medium. If density is high, then the medium is called denser medium. Density means molecules per unit volume is termed as density. For example, this is unit volume and this is also unit volume. Density means molecules per unit volume. If we take this is as a unit volume, if the molecules in this unit volume are like this, the molecules in this unit volume, see here, when we see molecules in this unit volume, they are only countable. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 8 molecules are there. Molecules per unit volume is considered as density. When we compare these two, here molecules are low for this unit volume. Here molecules are high. When we see this unit volume, here only one molecule. When we see this unit volume, here more molecules are there. Molecules per unit volume is known as density. If molecules are more per unit volume, then the medium is called denser medium. If the molecules are low, then the medium is called rarer medium. For example, compare air medium and water medium. For example, air medium and water medium. In water, the molecules are more. In water, the molecules are close and more. In air, the molecules are free. So, air is considered as rarer medium. Water is considered as denser medium. Water is considered as denser medium and air is considered as rarer medium. Air is rarer medium and water is considered as denser medium because molecules per unit volume in water is more and molecules per unit volume in air are low. Density of water is more when compared to density of air. So air is a rarer medium and water is a denser medium. Now we have an idea what is denser and what is rarer medium. We are going to study now what is refraction of light. We have discussed before, refraction means bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. Now light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium. Then what happens? For example, we have to draw normal. Normal means 90 degrees line which making 90 degrees with respect to plane is called normal. This is normal, this is 90 degrees for this line which dividing two mediums. Now light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium. In rarer medium, molecules density is low. When in the denser medium, molecular density is high, which is molecules are closer, more molecules per unit volume, density is high. So when light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, here molecules are close, so it is difficult to light to travel in denser medium than in rarer medium. So light bends and travels, and velocity of light is also reduced. When density is high, here density is low. When density is high, molecules are closer, so velocity of light reduced and light bends towards normals and travels than its actual path. Actually, when there is no medium, then light have to travel in this way, straight line like this. Light have to travel, but it bends towards normal and travels in the denser medium. When light travels from rarer to denser medium, then it bends towards normal. When light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it travels towards normal, bends towards normal and travels. Bends towards means it's coming towards normal. This is normal and it's coming towards normal and traveling. It's coming towards normal and traveling. Now we will discuss from denser to rarer medium. Now light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, which means from water medium to light is traveling into air medium, which is rarer medium. This is water medium, and this is rarer medium, and this is our normal. Light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. Here water is there. Here it's traveling very difficultly in water. Its velocity is reduced than its original velocity. Now it's entering into rarer medium, so it's able to travel freely in rarer medium than in denser medium. So here when it enters into rarer medium, it travels, actual path of the light is this. Actually, if there is no medium change, then it have to travel like this straight line. But as it enters from denser to rarer medium, it gets some freedom to travel, free space to travel. So it travels away from the normal and in a straight line. It's traveling away from the normal. When light travels from denser to rarer medium, it travels away from the normal. See, it's traveling away from the normal, and by bending away from the normal, it travels in a straight line. This is a refraction of light. When light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal and travels in a straight line than its original path. When light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it travels away from the normal than its original path.